Research indicates that wealth creation correlates strongly with specific mindset patterns, not just income levels. According to financial behavior studies, individuals who achieve sustained wealth consistently display distinct thought processes about money and opportunity. The data shows that successful wealth builders view financial resources as tools for growth rather than finite commodities. Statistical analysis reveals that 88% of self-made millionaires actively seek investment opportunities, while only 12% focus primarily on saving. This stark contrast demonstrates how different mental approaches to money management yield vastly different outcomes. Evidence suggests that wealth-oriented individuals typically allocate 20% more time to identifying new opportunities compared to their peers. The psychological framework of abundance versus scarcity thinking manifests in measurable behaviors. Wealthy individuals are 3 times more likely to take calculated risks and twice as likely to invest in personal development. These patterns create a self-reinforcing cycle where opportunity recognition leads to wealth creation, which in turn enables more significant opportunities. Crisis periods particularly highlight this distinction. While scarcity-minded individuals retreat, opportunity-focused thinkers historically increase their wealth during economic downturns through strategic positioning and calculated risk-taking. This evidence-based approach to wealth creation demonstrates that mindset transformation precedes financial transformation.